Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is another design of mine and Tammy's collab, 12 days of Christmas designs. So today the theme is wreath, so it's going to be super quick and super easy again. I'm going to be using this orangey peachy colour glitter from Laguna Moon and also this Models one. So I'm going to stick some music on and then I shall come back at the end. It's pretty self-explanatory what I'm going to do. Okay, so sit back, relax, and I shall come back in a minute. Okay, see you soon. Okay, so this is the finished design. I'm just going to apply the final top coat in the last few bits and bobs. I really like how this came out. I really like these two colours together. I think they're really pretty. Okay, my wreath is a little bit wonky, but hey, I tried. I've got such bad shakes at the moment, so yeah, you're going to have to bear with me. But I think it turned out really pretty. Let me know what you think down below and of the colours that I used. Please head over and check out Tammy's video as well. I will link it below. And yeah, we hope you're enjoying our videos so far. Please, if you're not subscribed to both of us, please consider subscribing. And yeah, we will see you tomorrow for a new theme. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and take care, stay safe, and we shall see you tomorrow. Bye.